Hey guys, what if I told you this isn't just this is a rolling luxury apartment built on a monster truck platform. Today on Nextlux Reviews, we're checking out something absolutely insane. The Scania Truck Motorhome 2027, a fully electric, solar-powered beast that's taking over roads in the USA, UK, and Canada. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because on this channel, we bring you next-level luxury, futuristic vehicles, and high-end motorhome reviews just like this one. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Now just take a look at this thing from the front. This doesn't even feel like a normal RV. It looks like something built for extreme terrain, almost military grade, but then mixed with luxury design. The front fascia is bold, aggressive, and super clean. You've got that massive grille with Scania branding sitting right in the center, giving it a strong road presence. The LED headlight setup is sharp and modern, with multiple layers of lighting that not only look premium, but also provide serious visibility at night. Up top, you'll notice those roof-mounted auxiliary lights, which instantly tell you this vehicle is ready for off-road adventures. Whether you're driving through mountains in Colorado or remote areas in Canada, this motorhome is built to handle it all. Now moving to the side profile, this is where things get even more interesting. The length and height of this motorhome are massive, and those multiple axles, that's right, this is not your average two-axle RV. This thing is riding on a heavy-duty multi-axle setup, which gives it insane stability and load capacity. The wheels are huge, off-road ready, wrapped in thick all-terrain tires that can literally go anywhere. And because it's fully electric, the weight distribution is actually better than traditional diesel motor. The battery packs are integrated low into the chassis, which improves balance and handling. That means even though this is a giant, it feels more controlled on highways and surprisingly stable on rough roads. Now let's talk about the exterior design in detail. The body is finished in this smooth, matte green tone, which gives it a premium and futuristic vibe. It's not flashy, but it stands out in a very sophisticated way. The side panels are clean, with integrated storage compartments, hidden access points, and flush-mounted windows that enhance aerodynamics. You also get a roof rack system, perfect for carrying extra gear, solar panels, or even adventure equipment like kayaks or bikes. And yes, this motorhome runs on both electric battery power and solar energy, which makes it incredibly efficient for long road trips across the US or even remote camping in Canada. Now coming to the rear side, the back of this motorhome is just as functional as the front. You've got a reinforced structure, integrated ladder for roof access, and additional storage compartments. Some versions even include a rear garage space where you can store bikes, tools, or even a small ATV. That's how practical this thing is. Alright, now let's step inside. And this is where things go from impressive to absolutely The moment you enter, you don't feel like you're in a truck anymore. It feels like a modern luxury apartment. The living area is spacious, with premium materials everywhere. Soft-touch surfaces, ambient lighting, high-end finishes. Everything is designed to give you that luxury home feeling on wheels. The seating area is designed for comfort. You've got large plush sofas that can easily seat multiple people, perfect for family trips or even hosting friends while you're parked somewhere scenic. And right across from the seating, you'll usually find a smart entertainment system with a large display surround sound speakers and full connectivity. Now, let's talk about the kitchen area. This is not your typical RV kitchen. This is a fully equipped, modern kitchen setup. You get an induction cooktop, built-in oven, microwave, large refrigerator, and even smart storage solutions. Everything is designed to maximize space while keeping it stylish and functional. The countertops are premium, often quartz or similar materials. And the cabinets are soft close with a clean, minimal design. Whether you're cooking a quick meal or preparing something more elaborate, this kitchen has everything you need. Moving towards the washroom, and again, this is where luxury really shows. The bathroom is fully enclosed with a separate shower area, modern sink, and a high-end toilet system. You get proper ventilation, premium fittings, and enough space to actually feel comfortable, something that's rare in most motorhomes. Now, the bedroom area. This is probably one of the most relaxing parts of the entire motorhome. You get a full-size bed, sometimes even a king-size depending on the configuration. The mattress is high quality, designed for long-term comfort, and the surrounding area includes wardrobes, storage cabinets, and soft ambient lighting. There are also large windows in the bedroom, so imagine waking up to a mountain view in Canada or a beachside sunrise in California. That's the kind of experience this motorhome delivers. Now, let's talk about performance, because this is where things get futuristic. This motorhome is fully electric, powered by advanced battery systems that provide long driving range. On top of that, it's supported by solar panels, which help extend the range and power the onboard systems when you're parked. The electric drivetrain means instant torque, smooth acceleration, and almost silent driving. No engine noise, no vibration, just a clean, quiet ride. And because it's electric, maintenance is also lower compared to traditional diesel motor. Charging is also convenient, especially in the US, UK, and Canada, where charging infrastructure is rapidly growing. You can charge it at home, at public charging stations, or even rely partially on solar energy during long trips. Driving something this big might sound intimidating, but thanks to advanced driver assistance systems, cameras, sensors, and stability control, it's actually easier than you'd expect. Highway cruising is smooth, and even tight turns are manageable with the right setup. Now let's talk about price. And yeah, this is not cheap. This is a luxury, high-end motor. Depending on customization and features, the price can go anywhere from around $500,000 to over $900,000. But when you look at what you're getting, a fully electric, solar-powered luxury home on wheels, it actually starts to make sense for high-end buyers. And honestly, in markets like the USA, UK, and Canada, where road trips, van life, and luxury travel are huge, this kind of motorhome is becoming more popular than ever. People want freedom, comfort, and sustainability, and this vehicle delivers all three. So who is this for? This is for people who don't just want to travel. They want to travel in style. This is for people who want their home to move with them. And this is for people who are ready to invest in the future of luxury mobility. Overall, the Scania Truck Motorhome 2027 is not just a vehicle, it's an experience. It's powerful, it's luxurious, it's futuristic, and it's built for the modern traveler who wants everything in one place. Alright guys, that's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, drop a comment, and tell me what you think about this insane motor. Would you drive this across the US? And don't forget to subscribe to Nextlux Reviews, because we bring you the most powerful, the most luxurious, and the most futuristic vehicles on the planet. I'll catch you in the next one. Stay luxury, stay next level.